Good morning. It's a great day in the Ozarks. Today I'm in the town of Doolittle, Missouri. The Route 66 byway right here. This is Highway T, exit 179 from Interstate 44. And if you're ever out here, always make sure you stop by the old town of Newburgh. To get there, head down Truman. It's a pretty easy road. It takes about 2 miles to get there. The town was founded in 1884 as a railroad town by the Frisco Railroad. And there's lots of cool old abandoned homes there and businesses, and also the original depot and lots of little hotels and bars. And it's unfortunately a forgotten town, as Route 66 bypassed it and then Interstate 44 bypassed it. A little bit of a time capsule of history out here in Missouri. Right when you enter Newburgh, you get BBR Masonry. This is Main Street. It's a great old house here. We're gonna head down, take a look at these old buildings, churches. We end up in Arlington, and it's really hard to exactly know what we're looking at because this whole place just kind of fell off the map. We've got a bunch of old abandoned homes here. This is the Newburgh Church of God. I am the way. Some older homes. A nice warehouse building. Right here, look at this. That's great. City Hall, Public Library. Beautiful buildings. Little market here. It's an old railroad town. And here we have, of course, the railroad that came right through. This is cool. And here we have Main Street on the railroad. Look at these beautiful homes and businesses and buildings. Got Perry's Pool Cafe, pool hall, little train emblems here. Let's look at this building out there. Looks like a hotel style balcony building. Now we're still on East 1st Street right here. It's called the Lyric Live Theater. Let's get out of the car and take a better look here. This is all 1st Street, just gorgeous. Holy smokes. We got the Lyric Live Theater, or the Lyric Theater Live. Either way, it's got a little marker here. It's been placed on the National Register of Historic Places. Take a look at this. Anyway, it's still open for the season. 2023. We got another old building here. This looks like a perfect railroad side hotel. Wish I knew which one it was. Got rooms up here on the balcony. We're overlooking the railroad here. Beautiful brick building all along this 1st Street. Imagine a bunch of dirt roads and horses and buggies coming by. Big old wooden posts here. There's our hotel. Just gorgeous. Steps going up to the top. Almost looks like a brothel. It's by Mesker and Brothers in St. Louis. Made that little platform. So from a Route 66 perspective, town in Newburgh's pretty hard. Just a little bypass, forgotten town. But from an 1880s Frisco Railroad perspective, this place is great. So we're just going to cruise through little 1st Street here at the end of town. Check out these cool buildings. Of course, the railroad's here on the left, right here, and this is the old Frisco line. Right there is 1884, little engine all along the light posts. And all these historical homes, just beautiful. So it's called the Houston House, established in 1884 on East 1st Street. Got some great dirt roads here. Little corner side restaurant pub. Perry's Pool Hall. Just a great place to come visit. Not exactly Route 66. Here's a post office here of Newburgh, right there. The Pentecostal Church. Sorry, never say that word right. Little pool hall or beer, wine, dance, food. Lots of Americana out here. So if you're up and down Route 66 in Doolittle or Rolla, trying to find Arlington, of course our public library, come down here. It's a great place to check out these beautiful old untouched Americana. In fact, kind of forgotten Americana. It's our neighborhood church here. Gorgeous buildings. Some murals on the side. Still have homes. Lots of people love living out here in Newburgh. All along the Little Piney Creek. Another church. There's really only one way in and one way out of town. So we're going to head out of town right now to our campsite, and tomorrow we're going to head out to the town of Arlington in Jerome. That's our BBR masonry plant. This road heads all the way up to Truman Street out in Doolittle to Interstate 44. It's our great little town here of Newburgh in the Ozarks of Missouri. There you go. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.